Well, good evening, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr back with you here. Another check of your forecast here on Spectrum News 1. Want to once again wish you a very happy Halloween. Hopefully it's been going nice and quiet. Thankfully, the weather isn't too spooky this evening. Just some garden variety showers that are really wrapping up, and things are going to continue to quiet down as we go through the remainder of the evening. Some quick weather history on Halloween. Warmest day, 1922. We soared all the way up to 87 degrees. Below freezing, though. Just a couple of years later, in 1925, we were at 31 for Halloween. We had well over 2 inches of rainfall in 1942, and not too long ago, 1993, we almost had an inch of snowfall. I was growing up at the time in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We had 6 inches of snow on Halloween that day. That was a miserable time for trick-or-treating with accumulating snow on the ground. Now, nothing like that today across the tri-state, mainly in the 60s with those showers kind of coming and going, still a little bit breezy. If you're not doing anything Halloween related and it's just a normal night for you, yeah, we'll see those showers with those temperatures. For the most part, lower 70s, upper 60s, depending on your exact viewing location. And you can see as we put Futurecast into motion, what's left of that shower activity continuing to press off as the front continues to make its passage. Most of the activity should be through by midnight or so. Maybe by the morning rush, a couple of lingering sprinkles south of the parkways, but for the most part, we should be nice and dry. We'll see that northerly, northeasterly flow by tomorrow. That will really put a lid on temperatures, much cooler than what we have been earlier this week. Not a ton of additional rainfall is expected. A couple of hundredths or maybe a tenth at worst or so. You see 2/10 here in Bowling Green, further to the east, where that rain may hang around just a little bit longer. But remaining above average tonight, mid-50s for our low. We should be in the lower 40s. But again, the front crosses really starts to cool us down. You can see the difference in low temperatures between Bowling Green and Evansville, 12 degrees or so. And temperatures tomorrow really not rising very much, only into the mid-60s. That is about where we should be for this time of the year. And then you look at our Friday overall, not too bad. Some sunshine late, as we'll be in the 60s. Don't forget, we turn the clocks back Saturday night and Sunday as daylight saving time wraps up. Monday looking very warm, right back up near 80. Warm for your election day, but there could be a couple of showers as you head to the polls.